When you see a man shedding tears, it's not cowardice, and neither is it faintness. Many a times it's the explosion of the heart and the implosion of deeper emotion. Upon reaching the crossroads of life, if I say sorry a million times, would you still harden your heart? Life is all about choices, my love. But if times could be reversed, if only the deed could be undone, I would relish hugging you. I would go overboard to kiss you. If I say sorry a million times, would you still harden your heart? Emotion and feelings may be momentary, but love is perpetual. In the midst of shallow emotional indecency, we say a lot of sillies. Everyone desires rationalization for their deportment, even when losing is the preeminent route to win. Blindly we press on to be triumphant, where sorry would have been the wonder. If I say sorry a million times, would you still harden your heart? The day you called it quits on us, all turned topsy-turvy. I cursed myself for failing to do the modest. The deities did not show me the consequences, that the sun would set at noon, the hollow you left in my heart, the agony of losing. If I say sorry a million times, would you still harden your heart? I will not curse the day you were conceived. In earnest I speak a blessing upon the womb from whence you came. Seems like our roads were meant to cross, for if they were not meant to, nothing would put us asunder. How much superlatives can I use? How deep must I groan to be heard? If I say sorry a million times, would you still harden your heart?